Hey Barry, and I hope you can join us for this very special training for three massive reasons. Number one, eBay is at war with Amazon, as you might know. They're closing accounts down left, right, and center. But that opens a massive opportunity because if you know how to do eBay, you can get free eBay traffic. They're willing to promote your products in front of their 200 million or so buyers for nothing up front. That's right, you can drive huge amounts of traffic to your products for nothing. You just pay a small percentage once you make a sale. So you don't have to invest any money in terms of traffic. Number two, we have access to an underground platform with over 1 million products. Now, eBay loves this platform and they are advancing these products on their search channel, which means that you can get additional free traffic from eBay. These products solve your product issue for good because there's so many of them. And this is the third biggest thing of all. This platform only allows 8 competitors per product. We've got tens of thousands of products which are being released every single month, and you are going to be able to get your hands on them on an early release before anyone else, and you could be amongst 8 people grabbing these products to sell on eBay. Everything is drop shipped. It's all locally drop shipped within 2 days, so you don't need to spend money on inventory. You don't need to spend money building a store. You can build a complete eBay business for less than $5 a month. So if you can invest less than $5 a month on an entire eBay business, on an e-com business, this training is for you. We have never in 8 years seen anything quite like this, and we've never seen an e-commerce platform that is ready and willing to literally invest itself in your success. They particularly want to get newbies on board and drag them away from working with Amazon. So the war with Amazon is to our benefit. eBay wants your help. So join us for this very special training. Do not miss it. We're going to have a lot of people on there. So make sure to join us, grab your seat, and make sure to show up at least a minute or two early to make sure that we don't fill up. See you in the training. This is going to absolutely blow you away. Can't wait to share it with you and seeing the incredible reaction that it's going to generate. See you on the training.